Hey, Steve at the Graphite Lab here with another quick tip for you. I just wanted to show you how you can automatically add materials and equipment to any service task in your price book. Very, very handy if you have technicians that are calling into the office pretty regularly saying, hey, what did we name this material? I'm looking for it in the book. Got to add it to this invoice. Or frankly, if they're just not putting materials or equipment on your invoices as well, and the Friday morning meetings where you're telling them to do so, it's just not sinking in quite yet. So give you an example, right? I'm going to go to just find a tank rebuild, nothing crazy here. I go into edit, I go into materials, and at this point I can say, let's see a lever, break it down into my categories, add here. It adds one. I can make as many as I need to. Should this be a like a consumable where it's going to be multiple or just require multiple materials. Now, just for the sake of completeness, we'll go here, we'll throw the rebuild kit. It's as simple now as just hitting save and we're good. Nothing to it, gang. Thanks for watching and I will catch you on the next one.